Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Perfect Me. I am Param here and going to teach you how to make a model water rocket, and this is going to be part 1 because I am going to upgrade this model and post new videos. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification every time. So without wasting the time, let's start. So guys, for this we are not going to spend a lot of money but just a sum of 150 rupees, and for making this water rocket we are going to need 4 end caps. As you can see, I have kept over here 3 T-junctions, 2 pieces of PVC pipe of 10 cm long as you can see, and 2 cm in diameter, then 4 pieces of 15 cm long pipe as you can see, yes, and 2 cm diameter. At last we are going to need a long pipe. As you can see, this is around 50 cm, and this is not like exactly you need the 50 cm pipe. You can get it some longer and some shorter.
So firstly we need to join the 2 pipes of 15 cm length to the parallel side of any of the T-junction and then close the end of those pipes by end caps. After that you need to join the 10 cm long pipe to the leg side of the T-junction. Now we need to join another 10 cm long pipe with this 10 cm pipe via one more T-junction on its parallel side. Then you need to join the 10 cm pipe with the open side to one more T-junction on its leg side. Now again we need to join the remaining 15 cm long pipe to the either of the parallel side of the open T-junction and close those pipes with the help of end caps. At last we need to attach the 50 cm long pipe to the leg side of middle T-junction. But guys, please ensure that all the pipes are fitted tightly and there are no gaps between them. So here part 1 of making our launcher is completed. So guys, our next step is to fix a cycle valve in any of the end cap by making a hole in that end cap. This valve can be bought from a cycle shop for just 15 rupees. Guys, don't feel it a difficult task. I am going to tell you 2 methods for making hole on the end cap. So the most convenient and easy method for doing this is to take a screwdriver and make its end very hot. Therefore we need to heat the end on stove. Then when it gets very hot, we will take it carefully and press its end on the center of the end cap. I have also marked the center in the respective end cap. You need to repeat it more than one time so that you can get a perfect size hole for the valve to fit in it tightly. Basically, what happens is that the hot end of the screwdriver melts the end cap when we press it. You can also refer the following video to get an idea. Now friends, other method to make a hole is by using a drill. You need to simply mark the center and drill that point. But if you don't have a perfect size drill bit, then you need to revolve the drill bit around the hole multiple times to get a perfect sized hole. So these are the images of final result. Now guys, we need to fix this valve with a bolt approximately in the middle of the valve from inside the end cap, but not from outside the end cap. So you need to make sure this thing. And then also fix this cap like thing on the top of the valve tightly. Then friends, to make it airtight, we need to glue this valve properly with glue gun. But again, if you don't have a glue gun, then there are 2 more methods shown by me to help you out. Then friends, other method is to glue it with Fevibond, which is easily available in the market in a very cheap cost. And third method is to place clay around the valve to make it airtight, but then this last method is least recommended by me. So friends, now whichever steps are left are literally very basic. In fact, they do not need a tutorial to show me to you. So I've just shown you the videos of the final result. So the steps which are left are as follows. So firstly you need to take the end cap in which the valve is fixed and then fix that end cap with the rocket stand. Then you need to take a water bottle which is some big in size and then fill it 1/3 with water. Then you need to mount that water bottle to the 50 centimeter long pipe vertically upwards. Now you can take any kind of pump and fix it with the valve. Now you need to pump that pump and then you need not do anything but just wait and watch. I would also like to show you and tell you the success rate of this model. The highest height recorded by me of this model is 20 meters. The minimum height recorded by me is around 14.5 meters. And the average height recorded by me is 17.68 meters, which is really good. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video, so you make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon because I'm going to upgrade this model very soon and upload videos on YouTube. Thank you.